SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to view battery cycle count on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, it's important to note that your iPhone needs to be using at least iOS 17.4 to be able to see this information. If you're using an older version of iOS, then you aren't going to see your cycle count in this location. So with that being said, a battery cycle is when your iPhone depletes its battery and then recharges. The iPhone 15 is designed so that it can go through 1,000 battery cycles and still retain about 80% of its battery life. This can vary depending on how you use your phone, but it's a good general rule of thumb. To view your battery cycle count on your iPhone, you need to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the battery option from this menu, and then you can choose the battery health option on this screen. Here you're going to see the cycle count, which indicates the number of times that your iPhone's battery has depleted and then recharged. You can also see the battery health and maximum capacity on this screen, which should give you a good general idea of how healthy your iPhone's battery is.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.